Nice and windy today. That tree was whipping all over the place a moment ago and dust flying everywhere. I thought, oh, my poor puppies. It's kind of fun when it's windy. The tent is whipping around. But this tent is pretty tough, even though that tarp up top is thin. It never comes apart. It's really cool. I think that's the name of it right there. Here it is. Now we got some wind. Poor puppies. Now we got some wind. But my tent is always secure. No problems. I got a hedge of protection around my tent. Thank you, Lord Jesus. I am loved, and I can enjoy watching the wind. One time over here, there was like thunder right over my head, like 200 times. That was fun. It was a bam, 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 bam. All right, everybody, have fun. Meow.